just introduce yourself for our audience?
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Karthik. I'm from Sonipat, Haryana, and I have done my schooling from Motilal Nehru School of Sports, Rai, and now I am pursuing right now is BA Economics honors from Shriram College of Commerce, University of Delhi, and now I have been selected for NDA 145 course.
That's great. So you just said that you had started your college, and now you will be going for
Yes,
NDA, right? So could you give us
yes,
a little more insight on how that played out? Did you want to go for NDA beforehand? Was that a last minute decision? What was that like?
at the first I always wanted to go to NDA, but I could not. I was conference out in the SSB 2 times earlier also. So that's why I had to join college and start my graduation.
Okay. So in which year did you give your NDA?
I'm in 2019.
2019 you gave your NDA.
Yes, ma'am, for NDA 142 course
Okay, that was
and
the first
NDA
time you
140.
gave your NDA.
Yes, ma'am.
And after how many trials have you gotten selected now?
Ma'am, I got selected in NDA 144 also, but I got merit out in that. Now I got selected in NDA 145 course and got merit in also.
Okay, that's great. So which stream did you choose when you were in 11th and 12th?
I chose science stream.
Okay. So a lot of people talk about how, balancing 11th and 12th with NDA preparation is hard. Like, could you tell us your experience about that?
No, ma'am, I think we can manage it well. It's only the basic maths that comes in. A bit of general knowledge comes in during the preparation of NDA written exam, but that that's not m- that much that we can say that it comes in between.
When you were preparing for NDA, what was the biggest hurdle that you like the exam? Which was the biggest hurdle? Like, was it your friends? Was it motivation? What was it?
I started preparing. I st- I started reading general knowledge books and other books in class 11th itself because I knew that in class 12th I will have to focus more on mathematics as the math syllabus is a bit tough as compared to the GAT syllabus. So I covered some of the GAT in 11th and some of the GAT general knowledge syllabus in 12th. And for the math, I I did as many questions I could before the
So,
exam.
so
Like
practice makes perfect, right?
yes,
Yeah. You said that you gave NDA for 142 course as well, but you did not get selected. Can you pinpoint what reason you think was for not getting selected?
I was conference out from one AFSB Dehradun in
Okay.
NDA 142. I think during my SSB preparation, I did not pay much. I didn't practice that much about the about I think everything for psychological part, interview and GTO. I didn't prepare that,
Okay.
although I had time, but I missed that chance.
So you improved on what you did not practice
Yes,
before for like your NDA 145 course. That's great.
yes,
So you did prepare for SSB with Colonel Sharma, am I right?
yes, ma'am.
So how was that experience like? Like who told you to go to Colonel Sharma, and like how did you end up? What was the experience like?
Ma'am, my uncle told me about Colonel Rajveer Sharma. He's he was a senior in the school, so he took us to Sir's Academy. It was in March 2020. I At that time the time was less, so I could attend only around 8 to 10 days, and then Corona came, and also and then itself my SSB started at SSB. So I had to go for interview in the mid of the course. So I attended sir's coaching for around 8 to 10 days, and it was very nice. My psychology, I made a lot of improvement, especially in psychology there, like the uh, responses I have been giving in past practices, sir corrected me out that think in a different, think it of in a different way, and many other things. We had group discussion sessions and lecturate sessions daily. He also gave us some homework about psychology, some current topics, so that we can got them reviewed the next day. And we
Okay.
and these were good 8 to 10 days I prepared, and I got selected in NDA 142.
So that is a, you were saying that the experience with Colonel Sharma really helped rectify your past mistakes. What is one advice you would give to like the aspirants who are preparing for NDA? Like NDA is coming on 18th, right? This 18th of April.
Yes.
So what is one advice you would give to anyone and everyone who's preparing and giving NDA?
And for written, I'd like to say that for maths, it would be like solve, try to solve every question. Don't think that it will not. I have not done this, or I won't be able to. And if you are stuck elsewhere, try solving it from the options. And as for GAT, like there are 4 to 5 days left, so English, as it is not that difficult part in English, so we can go for, there are 50, but there are 50 questions for English. So try preparing for English, and history and pole sciences. There are more questions for that. For mathematics, like probability, integration, they they capture a large number of questions in the question paper. So try solving them. Like we can refer to past year question papers, what kind of questions come. Try solving 2 or 3, and 2 of 3 of each type, and it will come into handy in the written exam, as because there are almost same type of questions in every exam.
That seems like a fair advice. And you went for the 5-day SSB as well, right?
Yes,
What
sir.
was your experience like in those 5 days? Which board did you go to, and like did you go around the city as well? Did you make new friends, and what did you get to know about SSB from those 5 days?
I went to 32 SSB Kapurthala, and actually we were not allowed to go out in the city as there were restrictions due to coronavirus. So we had to, and there were restrictions inside the SSB center also, like we could not play and go to common room and even play indoor games. We were to confined to our rooms, but we utilized that time well, and we interacted with every candidate, and we became good friends. Like 2 or 3 friends I still talk to. Also, it's not that they were not selected, but they were good friends I came across during that period of time. So it was good time.
That's great. So how was your GTO experience like? Because it's a more physical experience, and you gave it during
Yes,
Corona.
ma'am.
How did you practice for it, and how was that for?
Ma'am, for GTO, like for group discussion, I I prepared it from, like, first topic is always, I as I could figure out, it is always from something going on in the current world scenario or in the India itself. So one who is well read, well gone through newspapers and books and all, like he can participate well, but how he participates, that matters more. And for outdoor tasks, we just have to be a team player. Like we don't have to show off, and we have to be a good team player, help the team wherever possible, in the best possible way we can, in every task. That
And for the individual task, how was that like? How did you prepare for the individual obstacles?
when they were not that hard, the it is not about how many we can do, it is like they are in a asymmetrical order. Any number can be placed anywhere inside that track, so we have to make a good path, so we do, so that after completing any particular task in that, we don't have to turn completely around. We should make it like a cycle, so that by the time we finish one task, and we are either facing uh, the next one, or we are closer to the.
Yeah. Makes sense. But what was your personal interview like? Like, what was it based on? Was it difficult for you, or like, was it intimidating?
No, ma'am, I think it was very good, very good experience. I also prepared well for that, and
Hmm.
like sir kept on asking first with my educational background about my studies and all, then my family, my friends, some general knowledge questions, current affairs, some information about army, uh, NCC also, about other experiences at NCC camps and all, about your experiences at college, your what what do you do in your free time, many things like that. Then sir asked me about my previous attempts, what has happened in those, and why do you think you were not selected in that? I directly said that, sir, it was due to lack of preparation. Some was from my side, I didn't prepare, and other was that the practicals were around the corner just after 2 days, so I did not get that much, and I said this
Okay. So you were
that
very
I was not
knowledgeable.
prepared.
That's great.
Yes, ma'am.
When did you get your call letters? Like, what was that experience like?
Like I got it day before yesterday on
Oh,
8th of April. So I was just going through my phone and some people were messaging that please check if anyone has got there today. So I thought that let me check also, and after if it is not available, that I'll check in the evening.
mhm.
I will leave that. But when I got that, I called my mother and my father, and I called everyone whomsoever,
So you were
and I was
extremely happy.
very
Like, it was.
yes.
Could you like tell us like a few one advice, no matter who it is, somebody giving SSB, somebody giving NDA, somebody giving CDS, or anything? What
Yes,
is one advice people should follow when they want to become, a part of the Indian military forces?
yes, ma'am. I would like to suggest that do read books, newspapers, because there is a lot in them which helps in not only SSB but in the other aspects of life as well. Do read as many books, as many newspapers. That would be the one advice.
The future army officer wishes you best of luck
Mhm.
for the next
Thank you,
journey that is
ma'am.
about to come. I can see it in your smile. You're genuinely very happy that you got a call
Yes,
letter. You
ma'am.
called your parents. It's great.
Yes, ma'am.
And best of luck, Karthik. And thank you for
Thank you.